Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. In the world of hypercars, performance is a moving target, but soul is permanent. This is the Ferrari LaFerrari. Released over a decade ago as Ferrari's first ever hybrid, it was designed to be exactly what the name implies, the Ferrari. Even in 2026, as the new V6-powered F80 begins to hit the streets, the LaFerrari remains the gold standard for purists. Why? Because of that engine? It's the last halo car to scream with a 6.3-liter naturally aspirated V12, masterpiece of mechanical engineering that revs all the way to a spine-tingling 9,250 RPM. But this wasn't just a love letter to the past. It was a laboratory for the future. By pairing that V12 with an F1-derived HY-KERS system, Ferrari created a combined 950 horsepower and over 660 pound-feet of torque. The result is a car that doesn't just accelerate, it teleports. 0 to 60 happens in under 3 seconds. But it's the mid-range punch, the way the electric motor fills the torque gaps of the V12, that makes it feel like it has infinite lungs. It's a rear-wheel drive monster that demands respect. Wrapped in a carbon fiber tub that was built using the exact same methods as Ferrari's Formula One chassis. Visually, the LaFerrari is a masterclass in functional beauty. Every curve, from the sharp F1-inspired nose to the active rear spoiler, was sculpted by the wind to generate massive downforce without the need for a giant fixed wing. Step through the butterfly doors. You're in a cockpit that feels like a fighter, jet minimalist, driver-focused, and raw. Today, seeing a LaFerrari on the road is a rare event, and owning one is a multi-million-dollar entry into an exclusive club. It is the bridge between two eras, the peak of the internal combustion engine and the dawn of the hybrid age. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we take this V12 icon for one last high-speed run.